This is how to deactivate your Threads account. First thing, you want to go ahead and go to the Threads app and make sure to update and install the app. Once you have updated and ready to launch, let's go ahead and open it up. Once you open up Threads, we're going to go in the bottom right to our profile. Once you have your profile opened up, we're going to go in the top right to those two lines that we see right there. We're going to head on over to account right here. And here you'll see it says deactivate or delete profile. Let's go ahead and press on that. And here it tells you some information on what the difference is between deactivating your account and deleting your account. Deactivating your profile is temporary. It says your Threads profile content, likes, and followers will not be visible to anyone until you reactivate your profile by logging back in. You see at the bottom here, keep in mind it only applies to your Threads profile. So even though Threads is an app that is directly connected with Instagram, deactivating your account in Threads will only do it with the Threads account and not Instagram. You can go and press right here, deactivate profile. And once you've done that, if you'd like to reactivate it later on, of course you can. You should see an option that says reactivate your account. That is how to deactivate your account on Threads.